In this video, I'll show you how to batch convert images using the free program called Converseen. So this is a really great program where you can batch add a bunch of images and then you can convert them to any type that you want. You can also change some of the settings, like you can flip and rotate and scale the images. Now I'm on the Linux Mint operating system, and so I just went to my software manager and I searched for it and just downloaded it right here. And the program also has a website, so if you want to check it out to learn more, the link is in the video description. And it works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. So before I use the program, you can see here I have all the final renders of my Mace Windu sculpt that I created in Blender, and I do have a time-lapse video showing the creation process. If you want to check it out, the link is in the video description. It's a video that I posted on my main YouTube channel, ryankingart, where I show the process of creating this artwork. And I rendered out all the images as PNG images because I want them to be lossless and very high quality, so I can put them in the video when I'm video editing it together and just have a lossless version where it doesn't lose any quality. However, many of these images are almost 14 megabytes, and that's going to be really large for uploading online, like for example ArtStation or other art websites where I want to show the artwork. And many of those websites can't upload images larger than maybe 5 or 10 megabytes. So I want to batch convert all the images to JPEG and make them a little bit smaller. So if I just open up Converseen, I'm just going to click on the Add Images button. Then I'm just going to locate to the folder where I have all the images, and I'll just hit Ctrl A to select all of them, and then I'll click on Open. Now what I want to do is click on the Check All button, and so when we actually convert it, because they're checked, it's going to convert them. Now right here on the conversion formats, you can really change this to whatever you want, but what I'm going to do is change it to JPEG, because that's very standard for a smaller file size, a smaller image that you can upload online. And then what you can do is click on the image setting right here, and you can see there is a compression level. And so what I'm going to do is take the JPEG compression and just turn it down to 90. So it's still going to be pretty high quality, but it's going to be way smaller than 13 or 14 megabytes. It's going to be around 1 megabyte. So I'll just convert it to 90 and I'll click on OK. Then what you can do is go over here to the side and you can scroll down and you can see there's some different options. So if you want to scale the image or change the resolution, you can do that. So that's very useful. If you want to make all the images smaller, and then you can also rotate the images or flip them if you want to. And then what we want to do is we want to set an output. So I'm going to click on this little icon here. And I've already created a folder on my desktop called JPEG version, and I'll click on choose. So now it's going to save it into that folder. You can also choose to overwrite. So if you want to put it in the same location and then overwrite it, it would just overwrite the existing images, but I don't want to do that. So now what you can do is just make sure you click on the check all button so they're all checked, and then you can click on convert. And you can see it's going to go through here and convert all the images. So this is way faster than opening up the image in Krita or GIMP or another 2D program and then saving it as a JPEG and having to do that for every single image, because it does it really quickly. So I've opened up the JPEG version folder, and you can see all of these are around half a megabyte to 1 megabyte. So this is going to be a lot better for uploading online, because many websites online have an upload size limit, but this way I can upload the artwork to ArtStation or other art websites. So that's the basics of how you can convert images using Converseen. So I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.